So in order to do this, the first step was to try and understand what is currently going on at these workplaces. So working with Hubbub, we conducted observations at the workplaces. Researchers went to the workplaces and they observed what was going on. So, for example, they looked at the layout to see, for example, whereabouts the compostable bins were positioned, what were people doing at that moment of deciding where to put compostable packaging. We also conducted focus groups. So we had these small group discussions with 29 staff. So this would be employees that work at the workplaces, either as office workers or part of the kitchen and catering team. And we asked them questions around what they do with compostable packaging to help identify the barriers to correctly disposing of compostable packaging. And then we gathered these insights together alongside having had a look at what Vegware currently already do. So Lucy referred to all of those materials or communications that they currently have. And we applied a behavior change theory, so a widely known theory called the capability, opportunity and motivation behavior model, to develop the intervention. And I'll just say briefly about this theory. So this theory assumes that if somebody is capable, they have the opportunity and they're motivated, that they will enact the target behavior you want them to do. So if there are any gaps in any of these components, it means the behavior won't happen. So in terms of capability, this refers to things like having the knowledge and the skills. So knowing, for example, what compostable packaging is, but also the physical skills. So the stamina or the strength to be able to put compostable packaging in the right bin. Opportunity refers to both the physical environment. So are there compostable bins that are close by that can be used, but also social opportunity. So does the culture encourage people to compost? And then finally, with motivation, this really is referring to that want to compost. So do people think it's a good thing to do? Does it benefit the environment? But also, is it something that people do automatically as part of a habit? So we held workshops between the University of Sheffield and with Hubbub to look at the barriers that have been identified and then to brainstorm and come up with ideas for the types of interventions that would be effective. And we then ran these past Vegware and Recorra's sense checking to confirm the nature of these interventions, which we'll go over next.